and then the hallway looks like jail. Previously on August 1st. So many phases you go through when you're going through healing. First you go through the angry phase, you go through the sad phase, then you go through the partying phase, and then you go through the lock-in phase. So it's like a 3 steps available at Ulta. A 3 steps. But honestly, with the amount of stuff I had to get done. Make sure you guys are all caught up and let's get into this new vlog. Hi guys, good morning. We are last week of August 1st. Praise God. I'm sorry. I'm kind of like lethargic. So first of all, my lashes is not on, so sorry that I look like this. I've just taken a break from lashes so my lashes can actually grow. Well, actually, officially gonna start looking for an apartment again. Was kind of like dabbling whether I was gonna stay or not, but I honestly think that it's smart for me to move. So we're starting the apartment hunting. We did look at some apartments that we were like, okay, they're nice, but there are other apartments that I want to look at. So we're about to go to one of the appointments right now, and then after that I want to go and buy the kids some clothes because it's gonna start getting cold in Maryland, and I want to make sure that they're comfortable. And I mean, not that their dad don't buy them clothes, but you know, I still want to buy them clothes and make sure that they're good. And then after that, I'm actually gonna take myself out to go eat, because I've been working my butt off so much. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna come home and just like break down some boxes. We're traveling. I don't know if I've told you. I'll tell you guys probably towards the end where we're traveling to, but we're traveling, so I need to start getting ready to pack, getting ready to travel. So yeah, that's what's on the agenda today. I'm kind of chill right now. I think I need coffee. I think that once I get coffee in my system, I'll be better. Right now I'm just kind of chill, just like mellow. So yeah, hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Let's go to our first stop. We are at the first, hold on, so we are at the first location. The area is pretty decent. It's not too far away from where I live, but we'll see what it's hitting on. My energy is low today. I don't know why. Whatever. Let's get water in my system. I think about it a lot. Okay. Greystar at all? Not really. I've heard about them.
No, the store's locked, so we're gonna have to go around.
That's fine.
Sorry.
No, you're fine.
It's gonna be the mail room, so all of your paper mail will get delivered here.
Okay.
And then we also have a package room, so we were all of your larger items go, like Amazon, all that good stuff.
Okay.
We're gonna head through the fitness center.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. We're gonna head to the fifth floor. This is gonna be our skyline. So the skyline is open 24 hours for residents, first come, first served. And we're welcome to come in here, study, work. Max occupancy in here is 71, so you can also reserve the area for private use as well.
Okay. That's good in here. That's cute.
Yeah, so this is first come, first served. The conference area built in here. That's the dog room in there.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. And then this is just like our courtyard area and the dog park. Available first come, first served as well.
Okay.
Similar like seating, with a water pit.
Yeah. Okay.
This is going to be the A1 model. Again, I gave you the A1.1, so just keep in mind the A1.1 will be a little bit more spacious in the living room and the bedroom. But if this size feels okay for you, we do have a lot of options for this apartment as well.
Is it a queen size or king?
This is actually a king size.
Okay, perfect. Bathroom is spacious. It's not bad. Closet is big. He said it's gonna be a little bigger than this, right?
Yeah.
Coat closet.
All the finishes and everything will look the exact same.
Okay. Dryer. Okay.
What are your thoughts so far?
I like the apartment.
Okay.
Pantry.
Is there anything you feel like you don't like at the moment?
Not really.
Okay.
So far, so good. Let's see.
And then you can grab something if you like. There's lots of stuff in here. And then there's also a water dispenser in there. You'll have a ice maker in the fridge as well.
I actually like the apartment.
What'd you say?
I like it.
Yeah, good.
Wasn't too crazy about the hallway, but
Really?
yeah.
Like the colors or?
No, just you wouldn't expect this to be in here.
Okay.
That's high ceilings. It's pretty good. One bedrooms are gonna look with the windows. Yeah.
No, so the one that we just toured, you'll have the same exact like window setup
Okay,
as
good.
that one. This
Okay.
is our 2-bedroom with no patio. But
Okay.
the one you will have a patio.
King size bed, right?
Yes.
Just done touring the last spot, and it's a nice apartment. Like inside of it, like the actual like unit is nice. Hate the amenities. Hate how it looks on the like the entrance. Hate it because it just looks dingy. Like, and then the hallway looks like jail. I don't know, not too crazy about it. I'm about to go to Ross real quick. I'm gonna get the kids some stuff, so I'm about to go there, and then I'm gonna go get me some seafood. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go do that. I'm probably gonna look at other apartments as well. There's other places that I want to look at, and yeah, that first one I didn't really care for it. I did not care for it. The unit is nice. Inside the unit is actually really nice. It's just the external factor of it, not really my favorite. I found some cute stuff for the kids. Let me show y'all what I found. So this for Logie, and this, then these Levi jeans. You got to get a Nike tracksuit. Come on now. Come on now. And onesies, of course. I got that for him. And then I have to get my baby girl out the way. She's gonna be 3, so I just got 3 teeth. I got this dress. It's so cute. I got it this. It's so cute. You can wear that with boots. You gotta start getting cold in Maryland, so got this. Tracksuit. And then this set. It's cute. So I'm about to check out, and then I'm gonna go and actually have lunch with myself. It should be fun. Hi. Table for 1.
You want this one?
Yeah. I got my seafood.
He's going to have to split the $250,000 surrogacy bill.
Let me so
People that you like from the week. Anything to drink for you guys? I'm okay.
I haven't had seafood boil in like months. I've literally been working my butt off, and I honestly deserve this. I'm not gonna lie. Hey y'all, I did a little shopping shop. I bought some pajamas and I bought this cute top. I'm gonna add it to my Amazon storefront for you guys. What? I need to get better at that because I'm not seeing no money from Amazon storefront. Hence why I use LTK. But I think I'm gonna wear one of it tonight. Nice little 2-piece set. Comes with shorts. cute. And then another 2-piece set that I got. It's like this. Comes with a cute little short. Super cute. And then I picked up this top. Let's see. Bae Father need to go ahead and send me some money. Yeah, this is really nice. Hopefully it fits. Let me try it on because I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna fit. So I tried on the top. It's so cute. Nice fit. I think I could actually get away with a small. I'm gonna order more of it. But it's so cute. I got this yellow because like yellow on my skin is just like, you know, it's given. But it's so nice. I'm probably gonna get like 4 more of these because they're so bomb. Yeah, this is cute. Let me go back on that site and get more because it was only $20. Yeah, this is really, really cute. I love this. Let me put on my pajamas though. I want to put on my pajamas. I want to relax for the night. My mood has been all over the place, but hopefully it should start settling in. I'm gonna relax for the rest of the night. I want to end the vlog here because I don't like vlogging throughout my day. So what I think I'm gonna do is the way I did today was perfect. I woke up in the morning, I edited my vlog. No, woke up in the morning, went to the gym, edited the vlog. Then I was able to now start my day. Started my day later, but I still had enough time to like do what I needed to do and spend time with you guys. So I think I'm gonna do that. Tomorrow I'm gonna put some stuff in my cart from Fashion Nova because I'm traveling and I need to buy some stuff. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna Klarna it. Yes, Klarna. So let me go Klarna it. And I'm just gonna relax. And I wanna record a reel of like my skincare routine. So I'm gonna do that right now because baby, I'm on it. Okay, I'm on it. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I'll catch you later.